Unlock the power of the $1.96 trillion Amazon industry with this first-to-market AI-powered tool. Imagine having an Amazon affiliate store that generates passive income 24/7 without the hassle of building it from scratch. You're just one click away from starting a completely automated Amazon affiliate marketing online business in the hottest and most profitable niche. This will make insane daily profits for you. Introducing Aistoore, first-to-market AI-powered Amazon affiliate store builder that lets you grab your share of the $1.96 trillion per year Amazon industry. Aistoore is a brand new AI-powered affiliate store builder that can help you create fully automated high-value Amazon affiliate stores in diverse niches. No more wasting hours setting up complicated stores with Shopify. Aistoore comes loaded with powerful features. AI-powered app creates your profit-pulling Amazon affiliate store in just 60 seconds. Fully AI-driven automated Amazon affiliate store. No need to spend a penny on paid traffic ever again with inbuilt automated traffic tool. Preloaded with 5 million top best-selling Amazon products in various niches so you can start selling instantly in the next 5 minutes. Inbuilt ChatGPT AI-powered content and graphics generator. Get 100% free hosting. No domain or hosting required. Create money-making Amazon affiliate stores in the hottest affiliate marketing business niche. 100% cloud-based. Nothing to download or install. Cancel all your expensive e-commerce software subscriptions. Create stunning best-selling Amazon affiliate stores without any tech skills or experience. Commercial license included to create and sell high-in-demand Amazon affiliate stores as you like to clients. Only one click to create an amazing high-value AI-powered fully functional Amazon affiliate store. Latest highly converting affiliate marketing AI-powered affiliate stores that get you results. Start your own 7-figure store design agency without any effort. No monthly recurring fees. Newbie-friendly, easy-to-use dashboard. No hidden fees or any extra expenses. Optimized for seamless mobile usage. And the best part? All it requires is just 3 steps, and the app will do the rest of the work for you. Step 1. Log into Aistoore cloud-based app. Step 2. Set up. Just one click to set up your online Amazon affiliate store. Step 3. Enjoy. That's it. Your profit-pulling AI-powered online Amazon affiliate store is ready to pull in huge bucks for you. Watch as the app instantly creates a completely automated Amazon affiliate store that spits daily commissions and sales. Early bird launch special of Aistoore is currently ongoing and are offering access for just a low tiny one-time price. Ensure you don't miss this for any reason because it will save you thousands of dollars from spending on store builders like Shopify. Click the link below right now to watch Aistoore in action.